Thank you for your presentation. And now I would like to invite our next speaker, Ms. Tawanporn Siriwatansakul, to the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation on gamma-aminobutyric acid or GABA in terms of characterization, germination, anti-obesity, and anti-diabetes. My name is Tawanporn Siriwatansakul, and my advisor is Associate Professor Siriwatansakul. In this presentation, the contents are divided into three main parts. The first part is to identify the functions of GABA that relatively new, and the second and the third are to explore the ways to enhance level of GABA through germination in pumpkin seeds and brown rice. So let's start with this question. What is GABA? GABA is our body's natural anti-anxiety chemical. It reduces our central nervous system activities. One of the main points is GABA is synthesized from another amino acid neurotransmitter, glutamate. And it's catalyzed by enzyme glutamic acid decarboxylase or GAD, and then mediated by enzyme GABA transminase. Another point is vigabatrin is a GABA-dependent enzyme inhibitor that is generally used as a drug for epilepsy treatment, where the elevation of GABA. Above all, GABA is found in organisms that is involved in several functions of their system, be it as a regular signaling molecule or as a compatible solute for under stress. Recent research suggests that GABA signaling in the brain plays a crucial role in the regulating food intake and energy balance. So, GABA has numerous benefits on our health due to its pharmaceutical properties, including anti-obesity. In 2021, there was a study about the effect of dietary GABA on food intake and body weight of mice. The experiment conducted by feeding 32 mice with basal diet mixed with different amount of GABA, 0, 0.5, 2, and 5%. Then measure the food intake and body weight gain. So the result is compared with the control group. The 5% of GABA intake group significantly reduced the food intake and suppressed body weight gain. However, there were no significance between control group 0.5 and 2% of GABA intake groups. The results suggest that the suppressive effect of 5% GABA may be attributable to its peripheral effect. To obtain more evidence to explain the anti-obesity-like effects of dietary GABA, they injected vigabatrin, a regulating enzyme inhibitor, into mice receiving low dose that had no effect on food intake and body weight gain. A total 30 mice were divided into 5 groups and received the basal diet mixed with different low dose of GABA, 0, 0.5, and 2%, and with or without vigabatrin injection. Then measurement the body weight gain and food intake, as well as analysis of GABA in plasma by HPLC method. As a result, surprisingly, vigabatrin administration significantly inhibit GABA transminase activity in the liver, a primary organ that highly expressed in an increased level of circulating GABA in both 0.5 and 2% of groups. Although the treatment period was short, the dietary GABA and vigabatrin combination tends to suppress food intake and body weight gain. And by impacting the central nervous system, The researcher proposed that a combination of them may be a new intervention for food consumption and body weight control. Now we are finished the first part. Then we are going to the second part, the germination treatment of germinated brown rice. To begin with, brown rice is rich in GABA, but germinated brown rice is over twice of it. Thus, the question is how germination conditions affect the GABA accumulation. In 2020, there was a study that showed effects of germination treatment, including target moisture content, germination time, and germination temperature. The experiment started with soaking brown rice seeds, incubated until it reached the target moisture content 30%, which is sufficient for the seeds to achieve a highest level of GABA and to consume, and then conduct another parallel experiment different time and temperature. In germination temperature experiment, they sprouted the seeds at different temperature for 44 hours, then measured GABA content by using amino acid analyzer. Similar in germination time experiment, they sprouted the seeds at 25 degrees Celsius for different time, and then measured GABA content by using amino acid analyzer as well. As illustrated in figure 4, the highest GABA content obtained at the germination time at 30 degrees Celsius. The results show that GABA content was significantly affected by germination temperature. This may be because that catalysis was correlated to the germination temperature. When the germination temperature was low, the catalytic effect of GAP was relatively weak. That's why the GABA content was low. Subsequently, in figure 5, GABA content changed significantly during germination. GABA content gradually increased in the germination time. So this may be because the activity of GAP in brown rice continuously act on glutamic acid, and during germination makes GABA gradually accumulate. Lastly, the question number 3 is can GABA extracted from natural ingredients like natural seeds, like plant seeds, contribute to health benefit? In the last year, there was a study that demonstrated the potential of hypolipidemic effect of GABA extract from the pumpkin seeds. To clarify that, the experiment initiated with selection of pumpkin seeds, verified the study of effect germination treatment on 7 caregivers of pumpkin seeds. And these are our candidates, 7 commercial cultivars of seed-rich pumpkins in China. After sprouting, the seed at optimum soaking and germination condition, they were extracted by ultrasonic assisted extraction, and then indicated the GABA content by HPLC method. Undoubtedly, the GABA content was dramatically increased after germination, and the maximum GABA level was found in Suchan number 2. Therefore, it was considered as a better choice to extract GABA in the next part. In the animal experiment, there are certain terms that are used as in experiment, including type 2 diabetes rat, T2DM, high fat diet, HFD, and metformin. It is anti-diabetic agent that's used for cure to be anti-diabetes. And the last one, streptozotocin, is diabetogenic compound. To review the bioactivity potential of the GABA extract from pumpkin seeds in T2BM labs, the study was compared biochemical as LDL, HDL, but the course of mice that treat with 3 different treatments, including pumpkin seed germinated extract, metformin, and control group. And T2DM rat model was established by HFD feeding and injection streptozotocin. Then 2 groups of type 2 diabetes rat were treated with pumpkin seed germinated extract and metformin, respectively, after 4 weeks. As a result, the level of total cholesterol, triglyceride, and LDL was significantly reduced after treating with pumpkin seed germination extract, as compared with T2DM group with PSC treatment group. Moreover, the level of LDL in PSC group was significantly lower than the NT group. Okay, and that can summarize that extract from germinated pumpkin seeds may be a good dietary supplement for type 2 diabetes patients and satisfy the demand for GABA-enriched food. In conclusion, high dietary GABA intake significantly suppress food intake and body weight gain, and with combination of low dose dietary GABA, and the GABA team can exert and publicity. That's the end of the presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.
Miss Tawanporn Siriwatansakul used
They take 11 minutes and 17 seconds for her presentation, and she has about 3 minutes and 14 seconds for answering the questions. If anyone has any question, you can raise your hand and answer them.
Hello, my name is Tawanporn. I just wonder why GABA is involved with acid tolerance in gut microbiota.
Thanks for caring question. The answer is the GABA is postbiotic from bacteria. The reaction of GABA biosynthesis via gut consumes excessive proton to form water and then enhance adaptive ability to acid stress. That's why our gut microbiota needs GABA to be as an acid barrier to survive in acid stress condition. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tawanporn. How much GABA is daily? I just want to know if there any concern about GABA consuming.
Wow, that is very interesting question. Okay. Based on the NHPD or National Health Product Database, they recommend a daily intake of 50 to 3,000 milligrams of GABA that doesn't exceed 7 and 50 milligrams per single dose. And moreover, the LD50 of GABA is 12,000 of milligram per kilogram overall diet. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nidapande, and I would like to ask you about how to indicate optimal condition to germinate the pumpkin seeds.
To optimization the germination condition. Yes. About that, we have to conduct the experiment the parallel experiment about germination time and temperature because everything affects our GABA content accumulation. in past seeds.
Thank you for your answer.
Tawanporn, for the last paper, you show the result about the difference of the GABA content between different variety of pumpkin seed. I would like to know how many percentage of the germination rate of each variety are they the same germination rate?
Yes, it is. Actually, in this study, there are some results that shows the generation rate, but I didn't show up in this page. But as the study said, it did indicate the rate of germination at the same level, 0.5 mm to 1 mm. It's approximately.
For the germination rate that I want to know is that, for example, if we germinate 100 seeds, how many seeds that can germinate?
Yes, actually it's have germination phase as well, but I don't have the number at this moment now.
But in the paper they mentioned.
Yes, it's mentioned about.
They are almost the same between 6 variety or not?
Yes, it is. Actually, they have some difference, but the study mentioned that is to select the seeds. They have the germination test first. Then it's at the same level of germination rate. It's come to this result. Thank you.